Hi, I'm Ishaya, the owner of Photoland, teaching you photographers how to sell photos. So today we'll talk about affiliate programs of some sites. We'll start with let's start with the Shutterstock affiliate program. It means if you're a photographer, you take photos and you sell photos, and you want to make a little more money on the side. So you could tell people about the Shutterstock and about how to sell photos, and you could sign up to the affiliate program and start do marketing for them and make more extra money on the side. Okay, if you bring a photographer to the website and he's approved, you'll earn 1.04 each time one of the images were downloaded. It's very nice. So it's like I have a couple people that done it already. I made 12 cents something at the beginning. For the first year after a photographer you referred is approved, you earn 10% of each sale price actually reviewed by Shutterstock each time one of their clips is downloaded. When you refer a customer to Shutterstock, you'll earn 20% of their first payment up to $200. It means if somebody buys a certain photo in pays $1,000 something like that, so you'll earn $200. Earning is for clips or images uploaded by your referred photographer. For a couple more stuff here, but it's really less interesting. If you want to know about it, read it. Here's a link for a photographer for selling photos, and here's your customer. The first one is your profile, and the second one is the website of Shutterstock. So another website that's really good I work with is Dreamstime. Here you also have affiliate. I'll show you where you find it. You go into my account, referral program. Here it talks to you about it, how much you make. Here you also make a couple more cents here. It's not, the earning is not too much, not a big earning. Here, referral. For every sale you make 10%. Credits, every time somebody buys credits, $10, between $1 to $10 each credit package. It tells you different information how you get paid. They pay for PayPal, Pioneer, and a couple more stuff. Okay, the first one is your profile page. Here's the site homepage, registering page, free photo. It gives for a giveaway. They do it, but I don't bother it. Your profile for selling images. Here I closed it. Here other stuff. You could see different information. If you have a website and you want banners, you take this link. Take one of these links, banners here, your profile. Let's see what it is. See? This you take it and paste it in your website and about banners. If somebody has a website with a lot of viewers, it's worth it to put these affiliate links because it might be that people will come and buy it, and so you'll make money. But I don't know how much you'll make, but you'll make money. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. It's Canstockphoto. Here, referral program. You see it here, referrals. Here's you earn up to $100 from each referral. how it works. Banners, you put banners on your website or links here from each time somebody buys a photo within 6 months, up to $50. It gives you information. I'm not gonna read everything to you because I'll put the links under here. You can find it in your website. How you get paid? The thing is, in this website, you have to wait till you get $100 to get paid. So it's if you're selling photos, selling videos, and doing affiliate program, you might get to it. It takes time, but you'll get to it. And like here in Shutterstock, you have to get to you have to get up to $35 minimum to withdraw money to your account. And Canstockphoto is $100 also. A lot of these sites are $100. You know, and there also there's another website, EyeEm, but there's no affiliate program. So this is about affiliate programs in these websites. Then another idea how to make money on these websites. If you have a website with like 50,000 viewers a day, you put a banner in your website, and you know maybe 1,000 people will click on it, and 10 people bought photos. So you'll still make a nice amount of money, but not too much. But it's really easy because you know it's like you don't have to work for it. It's like the money comes in. And I hope I was helpful. And I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel to see a lot of more videos. Every day I'm uploading a video about how to sell photos and how to take care of the stock sites, and I want to show you my work, how I work. It's really interesting for me. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.